Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up on Wise app. So to get started, let's open Wise app. Make sure you have already downloaded on your device. Here tap on register, or you can sign in with Google. For now, let's tap on register and here enter your email address. And now if you want to go for business account, then tap on it. If you want a personal account, then tap on it. Here enter where do you live, and here enter your phone number. It will send you a code. Copy it and paste it. Now create a password and tap on register button. Here click on continue and accept. Set up biometrics or set password. So you have successfully set biometrics. Now your account has successfully signed up. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.